Welcome back. Now, the Bomb Detection and Disposal Squad at the Chennai Central Railway Station have appealed to the passengers to take due care of their little children and ensure their safety. At least one child is left abandoned at the Chennai Central Railway Station every 3 days. Now, so far, this year, the Railway Protection Force has rescued 76 children who were left abandoned at the Chennai Central Railway Station. Now, while most of them have been handed over to their parents, some are sheltered at the children's home in Chennai. Now, in the year 2009, the RPF rescued 77 children. In 2010, they rescued 72. And in this year already, the number has gone up to 76, ringing the alarm bells. Well, in fact, here's the version coming in from security personnel.
Railway station is a major area where a lot many children, particularly missing children, are found. Either by mistake or purposely, because of some reason, they run out of their family. And RPF, being the security agency which provides protection to passengers and railway property, we conduct routine checks in the stations and trains. In that time, we find lot many such children. If we get any information regarding that parents, their contact numbers, we contact the parents. We request them to come to our place. After verifying the boy or girl is the real son or daughter of that particular parents, we hand over to them.
And some national updates now. In an apparent relief to Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, the Supreme Court today refused to pass any order on his alleged role in the 2002 Gujarat riots after the Godhra carnage. Now, the Apex Court said that it's time that it is for the trial court to decide whether a case can be registered against Modi in the Gujarat riots case. Now, the Apex Court referred the matter to the concerned magistrate in Ahmedabad. Well, but the Gujarat Chief Minister's own reaction was unequivocal. Narendra Modi tweeted after the Supreme Court verdict, and I quote, "God is great," unquote. Well, BJP's top leadership, in fact, has hailed the verdict as a victory and came out in full support of Modi. Sushma Swaraj tweeted, and I quote, "Narendra Bhai has passed Agni Pariksha today. My heartiest congratulations to him. Satyamev Jayate, after years, truth has prevailed today," unquote.
Has certainly brought great relief to the BJP and to everyone who regards Modi as one of the model chief ministers. I have not seen any other political person in the country being vilified and maligned in this manner. He is an outstanding leader of the BJP, and I would think that he is capable of discharging every responsibility that the party assigns to him.
Well, meanwhile, senior BJP leader and leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, said that the BJP was very happy with the verdict.
The BJP had always maintained that the allegations being made against Mr. Narendra Modi in relation to the 2002 riots were absolutely false, and that there is not a shred of evidence with regard to his involvement in any of the incidents connected with the unfortunate riots of 2002.
Well, former Samajwadi Party leader Amar Singh, who is in jail for the cash for vote scam, has now blamed the BJP. Now, Ram Jethmalani, arguing for Amar Singh's bail, has said that the BJP arranged for the cash that the MPs brought in the parliament. Now, in response, the BJP leader Arun Jaitley said that it is the plea of an accused in a court. No matter how false, the party cannot comment. Now, the court today reserved the order on Amar Singh's interim bail plea till tomorrow. Now, the court has rejected his plea on bail on health grounds after a report said that he's fit to be in jail.
Mr. Jethmalani, you also said that the money has obviously come from the BJP. On what basis are you saying this, sir?
One of the accused has sent a sworn affidavit. His bail application, that's what he has said.
So, but the police is categorically stating in its charge sheet that the source of money, the circumstantial evidence points towards Amar Singh.
No, nothing of the kind. They have no allegation in the charge sheet. Don't misrepresent the poor fellow, because your press will caused a lot of damage. It is not there in the, please take care. It is not there in the charge sheet that he has given the money.
Well, this is a plea of the accused. He's only a lawyer. Now, whatever pleas a lawyer takes in a court, however false they may be, we normally don't comment on it because it's a matter pending in court.
Well, get ready for a match to remember. Nadal versus Djokovic tonight for the US Open final. Will it be sweet revenge for Rafa, or will Joker's clean sweep continue? We'll find